shot of I've missed my shot of lifetimes. Like I've got nowhere to go. I've missed the weather forecast. It's been raining for so long. Feel the happiness just beside you. At least when I'm missing you. All I feel is just your stand right. Hard times can last so long.
And start thinking, man, where did my life go? But you know what? There's one thing I never ask myself. That is, where am I gonna be tomorrow? When the whole damn world just keeps on changing. When the whole damn world won't never be the same. When the whole damn world just keeps on changing. When the whole damn world won't never be the same. I'm gonna ride this train right down to the graveyard. I'm gonna ride this train right down to the grave. I'm gonna ride this train right down to the graveyard. I'm gonna ride this train right down to the graveyard. To the graveyard, I'm gonna ride this train right down to the grave. I'm gonna ride this train right down to the graveyard. I'm gonna ride this train right holding a grave. When this whole damn world just keeps on changing. And when this whole damn world won't ever be the same. When this whole damn world just keeps on changing. Cause this whole damn world won't ever be the same. Now there are some things you just gotta understand that a man just likes to do. Like kicking back, holding a brew. There are times when I do like to indulge myself and get real